going to be learning some science. It's exciting. I'm excited about our experiment today. Our standards are linked. We're going to plan and conduct an investigation, and we're going to make observations, and then we're going to analyze that data today. Does that sound good? Here are my expectations for you guys today. We're going to follow directions. We're going to work together and handle materials appropriately and do your very best, okay? Jaden, can you list our materials that we're using, please?
We're using Diet Coke, cups, and measuring cup.
Okay.
Water, a bowl, a cup of water, and another.
Okay. And what do we have here?
There's mint toast, and there's fruit Mentos.
Awesome. Very good. We are. Okay. What we're going to be seeing today is if Mentos have the same reaction in any liquid. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour our water into our cup, and we're going to drop a Mentos in there, and we're going to see if there's a reaction. And if there is, we're going to record our data, okay? And the same thing with the Diet Coke. What kind of chemical reactions do we see in real life? Can you all think of any?
No, spit.
Spit? No, that's not quite a chemical reaction. What about when we mix two things together and they react?
Yeah, like...
Oh, you think so? Okay, we'll get on to our predictions in a minute. What do you think? What about if we mix two chemicals together? Does that give a reaction sometimes?
Yes, a lot of times.
Sometimes, okay. So today we're going to do this. And what do you guys think is going to happen? What about the Mentos, the mint Mentos? And the water. What do you think?
They're gonna blow.
You're going to think it's going to blow? Okay.
Yeah. Bubbles are going to start popping up.
Out of the water, you think? Okay, awesome. What about the Diet Coke and the mint Mentos? Jaden?
I think that whenever that you put the mint Mentos in the Diet Coke, it's gonna explode like a volcano.
Oh, you think that we're gonna have a large chemical reaction that we can see? Okay, awesome. Leona, what about the fruit Mentos?
They're gonna make it explode.
Do you think it's gonna make a difference whether they're fruit or whether they're mint?
Yeah.
No.
No, you don't think so?
I think so.
All right, awesome. Okay, so you've already we went through our materials. What things do you think that we need to keep the same in this experiment? What are some of our variables? Jaden?
Keep the same measurement.
Oh, I like it. Jaden says to keep the same measurement. Would you agree, Leona?
Yeah.
Okay, I would agree too. Do you think we need to keep the same measurement with the water and with the Coke?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would agree too. I would think so. That is going to be one of our controlled variables, the amount of the water and the soda in each bottle. We're going to carefully measure out about 1.5 cups of water and 1.5 cups of Diet Coke, and we're going to see if there's a reaction. Jaden, would you come over? Let's move to the side. Jaden, would you come over and measure out the water for us? Go ahead and put the water into the measuring cup. And can you show me on the measuring cup where 1 cup is? Show me on the measuring cup where 1 cup is. Cups are on the front here.
Right here.
1 cup is going to be this much.
Right here.
Do you want to see, Leona? So you know. 1 cup is going to be this much. We're going to hold this down. I'm going to hold it down for you, and we're just going to pour it in here. You want to hold it? The cup? Fantastic. Okay. Jaden, do we have about 1 cup? Check out your measurement. A little bit more? Do you think maybe put it on the table and get the measurement?
It looks good.
Let's put it on the table. So it's flat and you're not holding it. Now look at it.
It looks good.
Oh, yeah, we are at 1 cup. Okay. Good job. You want to pour the cup of water into, hold on, you can do the diet soda. You want to pour the cup of water into the cup for us?
The whole thing?
Uh-huh, the whole thing. Fantastic. Great job. So our first box on our record sheet that we've got here, you've got a record sheet, right? This is going to collect our data. So we've got mint, Mentos, and water. So Jaden, what do you need to drop into there?
You need a mint, Mentos.
Okay. All right, so let's go ahead. These are already open. You want to grab a mint out of there and drop it into the water, and let's see what happens. Should we give it a little bit of time and see if there's a reaction?
Yeah.
You guys, what kind of reaction do we have? What do you think? What's our reaction? Have we had any of a reaction? No, we haven't at all. So you can go ahead and you can put no reaction on the first one if you want. Leona, do you want to draw me a picture? Go ahead and draw me a picture of what that looks like under your mint, Mentos, and water.
That
Yes.
is no reaction.
Oh, that's very good. It's R, E,
Here.
action.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
CK.
C, T,
C.
I, O, N.
I.
Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. Are you ready, girl? Okay.
I couldn't do that.
You think maybe we should probably put our safety goggles on since we're doing our experiment? I would think that would be a good idea. Go ahead. All right. We do our cup. We need to pour. Remember how much was it? 1 cup. Very good. Can you tell me when to stop? Jaden, come over here and pour this for her. And she can tell you when to stop.
1 cup?
Yes, 1 cup.
Hold on, let the bubbles go down so we don't.
You're already down. Stop.
No, the bubbles.
Hold on. Let's look at it.
It's the bubbles.
Oh, yeah. A little bit more. You're getting close. A little bit more. I like that you are precise on your measurements. That is fantastic. All right. Okay, Leona. Go ahead and pour it into our cup. Can you pour it? I'll hold the cup for you. Excellent. And what are we putting in this? Do we remember? Good job. What flavor? What's next? What flavor? Mint. Mint, isn't it? So can you grab a mint Mentos? Not the flavored. Those are the flavored ones. Here's a mint. Go ahead and let's put it in and see what happens. Do you think that there's going to be a reaction?
I think so.
You think so? Jaden, you think so? You think it's going to be... Let's see.
It's like when you add water.
No, we're just doing the soda. Look at it.
It's bubbling.
It is bubbling. Check it out, isn't it? It is bubbling a lot, isn't it?
I think it is doing it.
That is neat. Okay, let's go ahead and write that down as our reaction. Okay, here. Good job.
Do you write yes reaction?
Do you think yes? And tell me what the reaction is. Look, it's still bubbling. Look at it.
Yeah.
That is neat, isn't it? All right.
I can't.
It's okay. We're going to try the, I'm going to leave this one sitting here so we can just kind of watch it and keep watching it. All right, Jaden, water. All right, go ahead. I'll push this.
What are we doing now?
We're going to do the flavored Mentos and see if there's a different reaction. Do you think there may be a different reaction?
Yes.
There might be. There are 2 different kinds. Are we at a cup? You need to put it on a flat surface. Good job.
Nope.
Nope, we're not.
Not
Go
quite.
ahead. Not quite. Very good.
Tomato.
All right. Excellent. Okay.
Excellent.
All right. Put it in pour it into our cup. And Leona's got our flavored Mentos, don't you? You got one ready to go into the water. Do we think there's going to be a different reaction? Let's see.
It doesn't
I'll
look
watch
like it.
kind of a little bit of white.
There is a little bit of white, isn't there?
Should we pour it into that?
Let's see. Let's check out the soda. You want to pour it for Leona? What about this one? What is our reaction? Are we seeing a reaction?
No. So
There
it's
is
no reaction.
kind of a reaction though.
So
What's happening around the...
bubbles.
Look at it. Are there...
little white stuff coming off?
Do you think that maybe it's the candy coating?
Yeah.
Look at the color of our water.
It's disintegrating.
It is disintegrating. I like that. It is dissolving, isn't it? That is a good word. I like that.
Kind of like pink.
It is kind of pink. It's turning kind of pink, isn't it? That's neat. I like that. All right. Let's try one more with the flavored. And then we'll try a whole bottle and see what a whole bottle does. Okay. Jaden's wrote it's disintegrating on there. I like that. Okay. Jaden, pour a cup in here for her. Leona, are you going to measure it out? You need 1 cup, right? Got it? It's okay, you can keep pouring ones up here. She's pointing to it. I like that. That's a good skill to have, Leona. To point to the measurement that you need? Okay, perfect. All right, go ahead, Leona. Pour it in there. Cool. Okay.
I wonder what happens whenever you put a mint
Drop a color in there.
while the bubbles are bubbling.
Let's see.
Bubbles are going down.
Ooh, look at it. It's really bubbling still, isn't it?
Yeah, it kind of looks like
So the color really doesn't make a difference, does it? The flavor doesn't make a difference on that one. Go ahead and write down your reaction to that one. I did.
I don't know how to.
That's okay. You're all right. All right. We're going to have our special helper, Leland, come over. And he's going to draw the mint Mentos. Go ahead and you can drop. Let's move our stuff just in case, because we had little fizzes in this one. So what do we think is going to happen in this one?
Big one.
You think it's going to be a big fizz? All right. Hurry up.
Oh, you better, nope.
Never mind.
Yay!
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 You put the...
So was our reaction bigger this time?
It was a lot bigger.
It was a lot bigger. Why do you think it was a lot bigger? Leland. Why do you think it was a lot bigger?
It's
Tell
a
me.
bubble.
Why you think it was a lot bigger? Please.
No,
Can I do one?
Because
Can I do one?
because of the Mentos, if you put like one in there, or the
I'm gonna do this
reaction, because
one.
it's a lot more.
It is a lot more, right?
It's a big 2 liter.
And the carbon has been sitting in there for quite a while, right? It's
Yeah.
been in there with the bottle closed. Okay, so did we have similar reactions with both? We did, didn't we?
Can I put this one in?
Why do you think this happens? This is actually known as a...
Ah!
What is a phenomenon?
A phenomenon. It's something that happens that can't be explained.
It's because of the chemicals in the soda and the chemicals in the Mentos. If you combine them together, it's kind of like
What's something that you see in real life that would happen like this?
a volcano.
Ooh, okay, like
Like it's just something.
your